to start out on the ukulele tonight. Keep things a little fresh since it's just me. Alright, this song is called Isle of Flightless Birds. If you like hip-hop, it's got a little bit of that in it, but if you don't, it's also got some singing in it too, so here it goes. La na na na. Now is the climax to the story that gives the demons and angels purpose. They fly around while we are walking and wound our emotions just to please them. I am gone. Plummet as I sing. Thanks, man. In all we are is an isle of flightless birds. We find our worth in giving birth and stuff. But we're lining our homes against winding roads, and we think that going is tough. We pick songs to sing, remind us of things that nobody cares about. And honestly, we're probably more suicidal than ever now. If you decide to live by what you think's wrong and what's right, believe me, you'll begin to wish you were sleeping your dreams and will keep in your head and you'll cry. But if we wake up every morning and decide what we believe, we can tear apart our very hearts and the light will set us free. I am cold, can you hear? I will fly, with no hope, no fear. And the ground taunts my wings, plummet as I sing. Plummet as I, how frustrating, so degrading. His time we're wasting, as time will fly by and the sky will cry, his light is fading, and he is waiting. Oh, so hastily as we repeat the same routine, as we will please comfortability, and please to think about why you can't sleep in the evening, and please don't be afraid of what your soul is really thinking. Your soul knows good and evil, your soul knows both sides, and it's time you pick your battle, and I promise you this is mine. I promise you this is mine.